dungeons with slaves thrown in. I had a God, did as I said, and a reputation for losing my head. I was a tyrant once, in high inside. Provoked demons, I had tantrums. I turned the moon black as night. I laid claim to the badlands, consumed all in my way, scorched earth with only hell to pay. I was an imposter behind a cruel mask, outsourcing my rage, never called to task. I am a clown now, who has come of age. My last joke, this blank page. My crime is to have filmed you then. Now I'm a beggar who begins again. I was an imposter who met his cruel end. His epitaph reads, I'll make amends. Oh, I was a tyrant, blinded by rage, caused pain, now I'm sorry.